Hello, Enyanum. Welcome. Akwaba once again to Maystastymeals. I hope by the grace you all are doing great. It's been a while, but we are back. In today's video, we are making oven grilled fish. You can use any fish of choice. I am using Zeebars and Tilapia. You can use mackerel, any fish of choice. So let me take you through the ingredients, then we will begin with our process. Thank you. So I have Zeebars. I will prep and wash it like 2 to 3 times, and I will divide them into 3 pieces. So like example, when you take one fish, then you divide them into 3. You can also divide them into 2 pieces or just leave it. Let me just teach you a simple trick in the kitchen. When your knife is not sharp, you can use your bread knife. It is very easy and very convenient and simple. So here I use my bread knife, and see, this is how smooth it was when I used my bread knife. So let me introduce you to my natural spices. I have paprika powder, I have some black pepper, onion powder, ginger powder, some salt, some accent. You can use all the natural spices of choice. It is not compulsory that you have to go by the spices I am using. So I will just drop half of the spices, and in the process I will be adding it in bits. And this is half cup of oil. I'll mix it with my fish, and then I will start bathing my fish with the ingredients. And if today is your first time, I give you a warmly welcome. On Maystastymeals, we share great recipe and cook with love. Akwaba to the team. Don't hesitate to subscribe on YouTube, and let's make a great team. And if you are an old subscriber, I say thank you. Akpe medase onyamin shirao. So let's continue on with our process. In the process, I added the leftover spices. Yes, because ye pese spices no kwahyehyɛ baby for us to get a great taste. Yes, so we want it to be juicy. So you can save this video for any time, or you can just share to your family and friends whenever you need to make this recipe. Then you go and visit it. So here we are done with the bathing. Yes, so see, it came out perfectly good. I will arrange it in my baking pan and then straight to my oven. I baked it for 180 degrees for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, you will check it. If it's done, then you are good. If it is not, then we just turn it or flip it over. For me, when it was 20 minutes, I just went into my oven and I flipped it over till it was done. See how juicy. Yay! It's yummy, you're malicious. Try this recipe and give me a feedback. This recipe, you can eat it with banku, with rice, with akpole. Just try it with every food you want. If you have watched me till this time, it means you love my videos. Why don't you give your girl a thumbs up? Thank you so much for watching. I will end it here. Remember to stay positive. Believe in God till we meet again. Bye.